In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the backlog feature in Jira Cloud. This step-by-step guide is designed to walk you through the process with ease and efficiency, ensuring you can take full advantage of Jira's powerful project management capabilities. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your team-managed software project within Jira. This is where you'll make all the changes needed to enable the backlog view. If you're unsure how to find your project, just log into Jira, and from the dashboard you should see a list of all your projects. Click on the one that you wish to modify. Once you're inside your project, direct your attention to the left panel. This panel serves as the command center for navigating and managing different aspects of your project. Here you're looking for the plus add view button. This button is instrumental in helping you customize how you view and organize your project tasks and features. When you find it, simply click on it. It's typically near the top section of this sidebar and should be easy to spot. After you click the Add View button, a list of options will appear, giving you the flexibility to customize the views available to your team. Among these options, you'll see the Backlog feature. The Backlog is a crucial tool for agile project management, allowing you to effectively organize and prioritize tasks that are not yet started. Look for the toggle switch next to Backlog, which is likely set to off by default. With a quick click, you can turn this switch on, thus enabling the backlog view for your project. Once you've toggled the backlog to on, you've successfully enabled this powerful feature within your Jira project. The backlog will now appear as a new view in the left panel of your project space, providing a convenient spot to manage upcoming work and refine your sprint planning process. And there you have it. Enabling the backlog in Jira Cloud is as simple as navigating a few buttons and switches. Having a clear view of your backlog can significantly enhance your team's productivity and focus, as it allows everyone to see and manage tasks that need prioritization. If you're ever unsure about these steps, you can revisit this video or consult Jira's help resources for more detailed explanations. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enabling the backlog is a small step, but it can make a huge difference in how your team approaches project management. Thanks for watching, and happy project planning.